realistically, let's say someone has a lot of talent, a lot of hunger, but they don't have a pot to piss in, and they're entrepreneurial. How realistic is it for them to approach owners and say, "Hey, can I come in more as an entrepreneurial employee, where I get a piece of the action?" Or, how often is an owner willing to get creative with an entrepreneurial employee?
I've done that before. Years ago, people would say, "Hey, Louis, I'd love to work out of your facility. And I know you're not hiring right now, but is there any chance I could work out of your facility, work under your medical director, borrow your equipment now and then, and I'll bring in all my own clients and I'll do everything. You'll just have to kind of give me a room here, and I'm going to give you X% of the profits," and kind of be like an entrepreneur within your space. And I've done that deal, Erica, many times years ago. I haven't recently because I'm done in the capacity, but yeah, there is some people will say, "Yeah, I'm going to give that a shot," because here's why. The reason they'll give it a shot is they'll make a little piece of the action off you, providing now, if it's something competitive, they may hesitate, but here's where they may like it. If you're only bringing your own clients and they can offer your clients something you don't have and vice versa, then there's synergies. So let's say, for example, the person you kind of deal with does Botox and fillers and lasers, but they do feminine rejuvenation, technology injections for females down there, for sex drive and things like that. So what do you care if your Botox client goes and gets some feminine rejuvenation client from them? They're happy, and vice versa. And maybe they don't do dermal fillers and lips. Maybe that person only does Botox. Maybe they send you some fillers clients. So all of a sudden it evolves to you picking up some cross business as well. So yeah, don't rule that out. There's possibilities there.